we will just take help of mappings. So that mapping, I'll just made it clear while showing the examples. So let's just type the code for mapping. So I have written this mappings. So it is just giving the region specific image IDs for 32 and 64 bit servers. So this is pretty much a key value thing only. So I have just written the mappings. So now let's go over the image ID thing. So now here we have to go through region wise, and in that particular region we have to search for images. So there is a function we have to add here to do this search for us. So let me write that function here. So as you can see, we have um, I have just written the function find in map. So it will go to check the region map, and region map is nothing but this mapping which we have created. And depending on the AWS region, it will select the 32-bit AMI. So that's pretty clear. So now we will just save the template, and again let's see what is happening. I'll go to previous window. I'll again choose the same template. So the template is good, that's why it's moving further. Otherwise, even this, while creating this tag, it would have thrown the error. Or if you want, you can just copy this whole code and we can validate it from JSON formatter. Oh, it's a valid JSON, so no issues. I'll give it a name, EC2 with parameter. So now we have instance type. Whatever we defined in the code, we are getting all the four instance type. Let's go and see that. So in instance type, we define four allowed values. So all the four are showing here. T2 micro is showing because we have given it as a default. That's fine. Key name we already checked for deploy. SSH location as well, it's giving by default this IP, or you can give some particular IP in the allowed format. But for now, we will just keep it open to the world, no issues. We'll go to next. Uh, Key value is not required. IAM role is not required. Advanced option not required. Go to next, and we will create this tag. Okay, so it's throwing error. Unable to get mapping for region map. US is 232. Well, let's do some changes. What if we remove this? Then okay, so there is some issue with this thing in finding map. Let me fix it first. So the issue I believe is we have not uh, mentioned the Oregon region, that is US West 2. So I have just added it here, and we only have 64 bit AMI, so I've just added the 64-bit mapping. So let's see now what is happening, if it's working or not. So I'll just save it and again reload it. Okay, so till now it's looking good. Next, okay, next, no issues still here. Okay, let's wait till it's created. So as you can see, the web security group is created. Instance creation is in progress. Okay, so the it is created. So now let's see what are the resources which are created. So it has created the web security group and the instance. So these things are created here. We have not given any output, so it's okay. So as you can see, it's pretty working fine. So we have just made this CloudFormation template a bit flexible. These three parameters we have included, which gave us flexibility to um, just play with the instance type, key name, and SSH location. So all these things are looking good. So I, let's go to the instance and see what is the status. So it's running and initializing. That's fine. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.